Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to have a revolutionary new feature that could change the game? Let's delve into the leaks, rumors, and potential release date of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With so many leaks circulating online, it's hard to separate fact from fiction. We'll sift through the information to bring you the most credible insights. So, what can we expect from the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Rumors suggest that it will come packed with top-of-the-line specs, including a powerful processor, enhanced camera capabilities, and a stunning display. Additionally, there are whispers of a redesigned body and improved battery life. And the most thrilling leak is, drumroll please, the possibility of a groundbreaking under-display camera technology. Imagine capturing crystal clear selfies without any obtrusive notches or cutouts. This innovation could truly set the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra apart from the competition. To wrap up, we'll summarize the key takeaways from the leaks and rumors we've discussed. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the release date. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're excited about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and leave a comment with your thoughts on the latest leaks. And be sure to subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.